Hello everyone, I am Ms. K. Pavitra. I am working in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are discussing about the subject name is English language teaching. Our first topic is the importance of learning English, and next topic English for communication, and third topic the problems of the second language learner, and our fourth topic is how to teach English pronunciation. So these are the topic we are discussing about this video. First, I clearly convey what is the importance of language. Language is not a matter, it's a medium of communication which we throughout our emotions and ideas is also described about language. So you clearly understand what is the importance of language. Let's see the importance of English language. So English language is really very important. The principles of teaching as a second language. You know very well, English is an international language, linked language, common language. So it's really very big place in India. There are certain basic principles which are essential for good teaching language. Is really very important. As a foreign language teacher must always keep in, as a second language learner also must keep in mind the various principles of language teaching to make a teaching more effective. So more effective is really very important. Why I mention? Because that time students level, self confidence level is really important. Okay, and that is only increase our confidence level. So first you honest to teach in English. First, do you understand what is the importance of methods? That's also very important. I think this video is conveyed to you a general principles of teaching in English. I shall now explain to you the main principle that should given to the process of English language as a second language learners. They are meet some struggle. Same way, the first language learner as a child, for that time they are easily understand. For example, our mother tongue is Tamil. You easily understand the Thoya Tamil also you know very well, and you know very well for that top to bottom. So what is the cultivated, what is the importance of Tamil language? So that is called for the first language. If your first language Tamil means Tamil, you know very well. Your first language is Hindi or Malayalam. That's also same methods. Okay, so first language is our mother tongue language, and second language is the official language. So official language is really important, and let's see the verbal communication and non-verbal communication. You know very well, spoken is really very important. Okay, actually the pronunciation style is also very important. Why I am convey the pronunciation and spoken style important means verbal is express the words, so understanding, and that's also very important. Okay, clear message also very important. So verbal communications describe about what is the content, what is the theme, what is your opinion. That's also described about verbal communication. And non-verbal communication is only for the body language oriented. For example, eye contact. So eye contact is really very important. So one person asked any one question, for that time eye contact important. Okay, and next body language, gesture, facial expression, they are easily understand. You are listen for the questions, or you are not attend the conference. They are easily understand what is going on your mind. You are sitting in the side, but mentally you are present or absent. They are easily understand for that. So non-verbal communication is clearly only for the body language oriented, and as a problems is second language learners, they are meet some struggles. Yes, I'm really understand for that. Actually confidence is really important. Actually confidence means if you read any one paragraph or you stand to read any one newspaper, for that time your pronunciation, stressing, falling tone and rising tone, that pronunciation style is important. First you clearly understand British pronunciation is different, and American pronunciation is also very different. So clear pronunciation is important. At the same time you don't hesitate anyone in front. Actually lot of members in your class, for that time don't hesitate. If you know for that, if you ready for that, you first confidence your level, and self confidence also important, and strong motivational to teach So as a second language learner, learning, so learn, never stop for that, be confident your level, you easily understand what's going on for that class, you easily understand. And especially I am convey linguistic as a science is a systematic body of language, is one of the theory. Especially I am convey so many philosophy writers also convey about the linguistic oriented theory, that's also very important. Especially we are discuss about the methods, traditional method and informal method, reference method. So these are the methods and principles also we are followed in our English language teaching. The two virtual factors, the second language learning situations and student and teachers, especially the pronunciation style. Actually vocabulary we are learning, so many day-to-day life they are learning so many vocabularies. Pronunciation style is also important. Why I mentioned the teaching pronunciation, for that time as a student they are easily understand, oh this is the pronunciation, so that is very important. So kindly avoid some vocabulary mistakes. And I give one example, one of the friend, so for that time one already mentioned only one person, friend or friends, you can easily identify one of the friends, that is the correct one friend, so only one friend I mentioned. So don't say that, don't use that type of errors. So speaking style, at the same time standard English, that's also important. Especially I convey IPA means International Phonetic Alphabets. So first you can easily understand what is the importance of language, and after you can easily understand what is the importance of as a second language learner. So the only language spoken and written is connect to the peoples, and you also connect to the worldwide. So I think you can easily understand what is the importance of English language teaching. I hope you are well, and thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity.